Assalamu alaikum. Welcome my YouTube channel new video. Beautiful runway from Hajjat Shahjal Airport as the plane prepares for takeoff. The aircraft is taxiing. You can see other planes and airport ground crews around. Takeoff begins. The plane speeds down the runway powerfully. Beautiful aerial view of Dhaka city as the plane climbs higher, showing road feats and nature. The plane crosses the clouds, breathtaking view of the white cloud ocean. Ending with subscribe for more amazing view. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.